Mesam, thanks for sharing valuable information. Can you please also provide some information about tax benefits we get as a landlord? If you already have video on landlord tax benefits, I will check that. This video will come with Dirk mid-May with the tax advisor that I shot yesterday. But generally speaking, the way that Finanzamt is looking at, Finanzamt is always interested in what are you doing, and are you doing it anything basically in order to make a profit? For example, working, right? We all do work, and Finanzamt says you're doing this with the intention to make money, which is true. And they look at real estate the same way, that they're saying you engage in real estate as an investment, you're probably doing this with the intention to make a profit. And every time that you engage in any activity with the goal in mind to make a profit, all costs that you have in order to make that profit become tax deductible, like Werbungskosten, the business costs that you can deduct for your job. So what are the costs that you have with real estate? Name one, and then I'll do one, then we'll go back and forth.
The ones you actually pay and then get deducted? You mean that one?
Yeah, all the costs that are tax deductible, yeah.
Property management costs?
Good. Ground purchasing tax?
There's so many, I have to choose.
We can play this a long time.
Well, the Abschreibung, the depreciation is kind of a goodie from the government.
Depreciation, yeah. Notary? Interest?
You can claim the way there if you drive to that property.
Yeah.
Train, car.
Insurance?
Yeah. You can claim the lunch and the dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah, if it's related to the property, everything, yeah.
Yeah. Repairs?
Yeah, renovations.
Renovation.
Furniture.
Yeah, if it's a furnished property, yeah. So all types of stuff basically, and here's this also what Dirk said, the tax advisor, that at the end, if you file a tax declaration and say this was my rental income and this were my expenses that I had with these rental when achieving this rental income, at the end of the day there will be a clerk in Finanzamt checking it, having probably 5 minutes or something to check your tax declaration. If you have some proof or idea why that would be in relation to your rental income, then try it. The maximum they can do, if you're not, I'm not motivating you to commit tax fraud or something like this. Don't get me wrong. But the maximum they can do is basically say, no, we don't accept that this cost was for achieving the rental property, and then they cut it out, which is not maybe with the lunch or something, that maybe, but interest rate, depreciation, all the big ones, they're gonna accept, period. So try it, and it might work.